Good morning class. Today this is the revision class for 10th student where we understand the next topic, that is new topic, communication medium and types of network. In last term we have understand what is the transmitter, what is the receiver, how we can communicate with receiver and transmitter, and in last term we have understand what are the data supporting devices. These are the data concentrator, multiplexer and modem. And you also understand what is the phenomena of multiplexing. It is of three types: TDM, SDM and FDO. Means frequency division multiplexing, time division multiplexing and space division multiplexing. Today we understand how communication medium is useful, how communication medium work like a connection between sender and receiver, means transmitter and receiver. Firstly, we understand the communication medium. It is of two types: wired transmission and wireless transmission. In wired transmission, different type of wires are used, like twisted pair wire, coaxial cable and optical fiber. And in wireless transmission, we use microwave circuit and artificial satellite system. So today we have understand the wired transmission. You know, when we go for communication, then we use different type of wires. These wires are connected to transmitter to receiver, and with the help of these wires we can send our data with the help of these wires. These wires are known as twisted pair wire, coaxial cable and optical fiber. Twisted pair wire, also known as unshielded twisted pair wire. In twisted pair wire, there are two wires which are working as a pair and having two copper wire. Why we use copper? Because copper is a conductor, so we use the copper wire. And there is a insulated material, that is plastic, covered the copper wire. After that, the width of copper wire is 0.0016 to 0.036, and the speed of copper wire is 9600 bps. Because they are in pair, so white noise attenuation is not done in this wire, and this wire is used in telephone lines, means used with analog signals. So twisted pair wire is used for short distances, and we can send our data to short distance with the help of twisted pair wire. In twisted pair wire, we only flow the analog signal. Then the next wire is coaxial cable. Coaxial cable means there is only single wire which is connected to all other wires. It is used with cable TV. You know, in each and every home there is a TV, and TV is connected by the TV operator, that is cable operator, and cable operator provides the different channels which you can see in your TV. And it is used with LAN, means local area network. If you want to connect some systems with local area network, then you use LAN. The width of coaxial cable is 0.4 inch to 1 inch, and it is used for long distances and short distances both, because it have more bandwidth to compare with twisted pair wire. And also we can send analog and digital signal both in coaxial cable. We can connect more than 40,000 calls at a time with the help of coaxial cable. So it is more useful than twisted pair wire. The next wire is optical fiber, means it is also known as fiber optics. Here the name is optical. Optic means light. So optical fiber, here the signals are moved in the form of light. And you know the properties of light. The first property of light, it always travels in a straight line. It always travels in a straight line. Firstly, we use electromagnetic signal, and electromagnetic signals changes by a device into optical signal. Then optical signal flows through the wires, and in optical fiber there are thousands of wires, and there are the bunch of wires, and there is a single wire where the data can move in the form of light signals. There is also some phenomena occur in that type of signals. It can work with analog and digital signal both, and optical fiber are used with LAN because optical fiber have more speed, so it is more useful than twisted pair wire and coaxial cable. And the diameter of every fiber is 2 to 200 micrometer, and it is made up of fine plastic or glass, and silica. You also know about silica. So silica, we use silica or glass or fine plastic. And the speed of optical fiber is 2500 Mbps. So it has highest speed compared with twisted pair wire and coaxial cable. So it is all about this class. Today we have learned about wire transmission, and in wire transmission we have learned about twisted pair wire, coaxial cable and optical fiber. In twisted pair wire there are two wires which are twisted together and form a twisted pair wire. Both wires have metal copper, so these wires are copper wires, and there is no attenuation or white noise occur in twisted pair wire. The bandwidth and the speed of twisted pair wire is 9600 bps, and the width is 0.0016 to 0.036 inch. Used with telephone lines, it is more appropriate with analog signals. Coaxial cable used with TV, means it is used by the cable TV operator. It is also used in LAN, where the distance between sender and transmitter approx 1 kilometer are within a building. Width is 0.4 inch to 1 inch. It requires more bandwidth, and we can connect more than 40,000 calls at a time with the help of coaxial cable. So it is very important for us. And in optical fiber there are a cable having thousands of fibers, and in this cable data is not moved in the form of electromagnetic signal. Data is moved in the form of light signals. It is used with analog and digital transmission. There are many devices are used. First we use LED, and then we use photodiode to convert the electromagnetic signal into light signal and light signal into electromagnetic signal. It is used with analog and digital signals both, and the diameter is 2 to 200 micrometer. Its diameter. There is a phenomena of total internal reflection, and you know the property of light. It always moves in a straight line, so we find the whole data. There is no data loss, and the speed is 2500 Mbps, which is more than twisted pair wire and coaxial cable. So now we understand about the communication medium and the wire transmission, which is twisted pair wire, coaxial cable and fiber optics. In next term we have understand the wireless transmission, that is microwave circuit, artificial satellite system. Thank you class.